Okay, so I'm ready. We have 1 more hour left, and then my mom's brother is coming to take us to the airport. I have everything ready. The camera bag is ready. I still have to put my laptop in the bag, and I have everything else ready. I put my makeup. I wanted to say that one thing I wanted the most in this vacation, to not have crazy acne, and that's exactly what I'm having. I'm having crazy acne that you can see in the sun, and it looks so bad. Like, I'm not even kidding, it looks so bad. I don't know, hope it goes down. Look at this, it's huge. And on my chin, this area is like full of acne. We still have to close the zipper at the suitcases, but other than that, everything is done. I'm so excited. As I said, we still have 1 more hour left, so I'm gonna stay on my laptop a little bit and relax. And yeah, I'm so excited, you have no idea.